Hello there. Today, because of current developments, I will bring you an, let's call it intermediate video in the series of aircraft. I will briefly introduce you to the Chinook H-47 helicopter. After several engine fires in Chinook H-47 helicopters, the US Army has completely withdrawn this proven transport aircraft for the time being. The around 400 heavily used helicopters would have to remain on the ground for the time being, the Army said on Tuesday. The engine manufacturer Honeywell spoke of suspicious sealing rings that are installed in some of the H-47 machines. However, these did not come from Honeywell production. The US Army has identified the underlying cause of fuel leaks that caused the engine fires in sporadic H-47 helicopters and is implementing corrective actions to address the issue. That's what Army spokeswoman Cynthia Smith said. There were no fatalities or injuries in those incidents, but the H-47 fleet remains fully grounded as a precaution until the conversions are complete. In addition to the USA, the H-47 helicopters manufactured by Boeing are also in use in Great Britain and almost 20 other countries. The German federal government announced this year that it would order 60 Chinook helicopters. The twin-engine machine can transport large loads and are also well equipped for combat situations. They were already used in the Vietnam War and in US operations in the Middle East as well. The Boeing H-47 Chinook is a state-of-the-art, proven and capable multi-mission helicopter. With more than 950 aircraft in 20 countries, including 8 NATO countries, the Chinook enables immediate worldwide interoperability. And with the lowest operating and acquisition cost, Boeing and the H-47, together with a strong German industrial team, stand ready to support the German Bundeswehr and its missions today and for many decades to come, as I said. They ordered 60 of those. Chinook operators worldwide rely on the reliable mission-critical capabilities of the H-47 Chinook, whether on high-altitude missions in the mountains, evacuating casualties over rough terrain, or operating on aircraft carriers and military ships. And of course, I have the specs for you again today. The main rotor diameter is 18 meters 29, the length is 15 meters 47. It has 2 Lycoming T55L712 turbines. It weighs 10,615 kilograms. The takeoff weight is 22,680 kilograms, a top speed of 295 kilometers per hour, a cruising speed of 265 kilometers per hour, and a range of 426 kilometers with reserve, that was. State-of-the-art manufacturing techniques such as high-speed aluminum machining contribute to the platform's high efficiency and effectiveness. The Chinook also features streamlined and integrated avionics, flight controls and mission-focused capabilities that ensure the H-47 meets the military needs of the 21st century and offers pilots unrivaled heavy lift capabilities. The Chinook, with its distinctive exterior shape, is valued worldwide for its reliability and performance. State-of-the-art manufacturing techniques, as I said, such as the high-speed aluminum machining, contribute to the whole thing, and I still have to go into that manufacturing process to have a look myself what it really means. The Chinook also features streamlined and integrated avionics, the flight controls and mission-focused capabilities that ensure that they are really still up to date, although they are running for quite some time now. They have unrivaled heavy lift capabilities, as I said, and with more than 5 million flight hours, the Chinook is a tried and tested multi-mission platform that can reliably meet the specific requirements of the German Air Force for many decades as well. The US Army has deployed Chinook helicopters in Germany, providing immediate training and also the interoperability synergies for the Bundeswehr. The Chinook is also a cost-effective solution to the Bundeswehr's mission requirements. The Chinook boasts the lowest hourly flight cost in its class, as well as significantly lower procurement and maintenance cost, because the German one, they tried, forget it. Given its track record of safe, timely and cost-effective deliveries, the Chinook can enable the Bundeswehr to enter service early. And incidentally, I've also flown in a Chinook a long time ago, and that really was a smooth flight. and we really had a lot of space in there. And talking about being quite cost efficient for the Bundeswehr, we had a lot of discussions here about procurement of helicopters and stuff. It was a nightmare, and so I'm quite glad to hear that they are taking the Chinook. It's out there for a long time, but sometimes you don't need to have something completely new. And in this case, I must say, I was really satisfied when I had the chance to fly with the Chinook, and we've seen it on a lot of theaters all around the world that it's working. And if it's just a small ring that's causing trouble now, that can be replaced and everything will be fine, I hope. And my apologies to Canada, by the way. The person knows who I mean. It wasn't the Dingo 3 today. Well, we'll come to a lot of Dingos in the future. There are a lot of variants of that, so you will probably be very satisfied about all the Dingos you still can see. And talking about Dingos, if the rumor is true that I heard now, that our government even denied delivering Dingos to the Ukraine, I can't even tell you how angry I am on my government for that move. We have a parliament decision on delivering heavy weapons to Ukraine, and they still have not really done that. And if they even deny delivering Dingos, I have no reaffirmation for that, but there are media reports out there. But if this is true, I am really furious. But Dingo is up next week, so so for today, I wish you a good day. See you in my next video. I'll be back.